More nesting series. I'm going to be putting together the baby's bed. And little backstory, I was going to use my son's bed since it has the bassinet attachment you can add, and then just buy him a new pack and play because those are fairly cheap. Well, his dad broke his bed somehow a while back, so I literally just had to buy 2 pack and plays, and I just bought them the same one because it was that cheap, and then the bassinet attachment will fit on this. I'm setting it up in the girls' room right now because our son's pack and play is still in there right now. So I don't want to like have 2 in there right now, if that makes sense. And yeah, there's more room in the girls' room, so we're just gonna set it up in here. Oh my god, these are like hard to set up. Okay, we are all set up. It is not the cutest, but a bed is a bed.